Alright guys, today we got an Apple computer, Apple laptop computer. The model number on this bad boy is gonna be an A1278, and pretty sure you can tell, but the battery inside this laptop has exploded. There's no charge whatsoever. Go figure. But I know it's kind of hard to tell from being up there. I'll try to put it sideways. But I don't know if you can tell, but on her keyboard, I mean, it was lifted. And there was a big lift right here. And since I've kind of taken the battery out, we've relieved a little bit of pressure. But first thing you want to do is you're going to take a regular Phillips screwdriver, and there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're just going to go along here and take out all 10 screws. After we took out like 6 of these screws, this cover just popped off because this battery was exploded so bad. And the reason we knew it was the battery is because whenever you plugged it in, it would come on, but as soon as you disconnected it from the charger, it would just die. And so when you ran your hand over the little keypad, you could tell that it was lifted. So you take them all out. Once you get your screws removed, down here is going to be your battery. And it's got 2 screws in it as well. One right here and one right here. You're going to remove both of those screws, and this battery should lift up. And you're going to go ahead and pull straight up on this. Just like that. And as you can tell, this battery has basically imploded inside of this case. And it's supposed to be a pretty hard case. It's just, I mean, look at that. I'll show you the new battery, what it's supposed to look like, just so you have a little better idea. This is what the new battery is supposed to look like. Or this battery actually is supposed to look just like this. Right here is like a hard plastic, and you can tell it just separated it. So all you gotta do is take that out, and we're gonna go ahead and lay this new battery in the exact same way that you took out the old one. Kind of go underneath those little ledges. We're going to plug this in, and we're not going to screw any of these screws down just yet. We're going to go ahead and open this up and make sure that this tablet will turn on. Alright, see if y'all can see that. There's the Apple logo, and this tablet was not, like I said, turning on like that if you had the battery, if you had the wall charger not connected. Other than that, guys, that's it. That's how you replace this battery. I'll send a link, put a link in the description where I ordered our battery from, and that's all you got to do on this one. And then screw in those bottom 2 screws. Flip this over. You're going to screw in these 2 screws right here. Then you're going to put this cover on and screw in the rest. And that's it, guys. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys have got any questions, concerns, issues, or if you do this a different way than we just did, just let me know. Any quicker ways would be appreciated. Thanks.